my name is Vanessa. I have been diagnosed with breast cancer for about 2 months now, and it's been a bit challenging. And I had an infection with my port. I had to have it removed, and in addition, my hair actually started to fall off within the first 3 weeks of chemotherapy treatment. And so I was really fortunate to learn of EBeauty, and I came here today for a wig fitting and also to have a consultation about what to do with wigs and how to wear them properly. And the staff here is really compassionate and caring and talked me through the process of caring for the wigs. I got a custom cut for the wigs that I tried on. And I also learned that EBeauty is partnering with UNice during Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And they have donated wigs and these beautiful robes. And also, UNice will be donating $1 for every wig sold for the Empowering Pink Warriors campaign, which I think is a wonderful way of supporting women who are going through this challenging process. And so I'd like to thank EBeauty and also thank UNice for their contributions to supporting women that are going through breast cancer during this challenging time. Thank you.